And one of the most common things to use CA glue for is filling holes, screw holes. And where it's really common is whenever you're changing hinges. If you're changing hinges or changing doors, often those screw holes, they've had different screws in, different sizes, and look at that. It moves around. That's the worst thing that you want for a screw. It's not going to hold. So what you do is, before you put CA glue in there, the first thing that you want to do is take a moment and make yourself a sharp stick. Whittle something down with a knife, and then I actually take and sand it. And this one's a little bit on the long side, so I'm going to take some of the bottom of that off. And now when I put that in there, that's going to fill that hole really nicely. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some thick CA glue into that hole, and it's going to take and run down to the bottom. And while it's running down to the bottom, I'm going to take some accelerator and I'm going to spray accelerator on the stick. And I'm going to get a nice load of it on there, and when I put that in there, it's going to instantly freeze that. So that stick is now stuck in there, and not only that, it's filled the hole with more wood, so that it's not just the glue that's going to be holding it. And now I can take and cut that off, and when I put the screw in there, it's going to be nice and tight and snug. It's going to be at least as good as when it was brand new wood, and maybe even better. And now I can put a new screw in there and know that it's going to be in just perfectly. Just like that. That's how to fill a nail hole.